How to cancel a pending Interac e-transfer in Tangerine. Start by logging in with your client number and password. From the home screen, tap on Move Money and then choose Interac e-transfer. Select Pending Transfers to see a list of transfers that have not yet been accepted or deposited. Find the transfer you want to cancel and tap on it to review the details carefully. Once you're sure it's the right one, tap Cancel and confirm your choice. The transfer will be stopped immediately and the money will be returned to the account it was originally sent from, usually within a short time. You'll also receive a confirmation letting you know the cancellation was successful. Keep in mind that you can only cancel transfers that are still pending, so if the recipient has already accepted the money, it can't be reversed. This feature is helpful if you entered the wrong email, sent the wrong amount, or simply changed your mind before the transfer was completed. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.